Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kish. Today's video, we're going to cut, first time cutting of the claws of the kittens. This is Prada, our black and white with a long tail. I have searched that you can cut the nails of the kittens when they are already 4 to 6 weeks, and this one are almost 2 months. Prada, cut the nails, Prada. So long, it's so hurtful when you climb on us. We should just be careful to cut on the transparent part only. Okay, how much it is? The two nails. Very small. No matter, no? Hindi na sa ang 2 nails eh. Small pa kayo. B, the leader of them all. You cut your 2 nails. You cut your 2 nails. Hey, cute na si? Ayaw ba? GB, babe. Be big boy. Be big boy, GB. Goldfish. Hello, goldfish. The other one do not bite, Mama. Kiss. Shush. Be. Ay, okay, kasakit.
GB.
Be big boy. Ay, hindi na kayo sakit. Mga na. Because he wants to play. Doesn't want to be disturbed. GB. Napit na. Almost finished. You don't like? Stag-os na iyo. Yan. Hapit na. May na lang. Ano to ang fit? Kusog na ba kay kamang dapog si mga manghod? GB. Ano ko? Imada. This is Gresso. My big tiger. I won't call him little anymore. Very thin. Glitter na Gresso. Gresso doesn't eat much, but we're happy this morning that he ate the liver. Go there, Gresso. He didn't eat the sardines. Didn't eat the. This is the only sibling of Goldfish because the black and white died, named Vertu. This is Gresso. Kagamay. Gresso. May laman ako ng mamakisa. Good boy ayun ni Gresso amoy. Mabig boy. Bistyong ha. Gresso. Hi. This is Prada, our black and white with a short tail. You will cut nails, Prada. Louis V. This is Louis V. The one with the long tail is Prada. Show down dito sila eh.
Joyce.
Prada. Oh, Louis V. This is Fendi, the remaining gray tabby of kisses from 5 kittens to 3 kittens. The one who died are Saint Laurent and Celine. This is Fendi. Fendi. Hi, Fendi. This is also my little tiger. Fendi, a big tiger. Nobody will be little anymore. All of you will be big. Like Uncle Strike. The time Mama Kiss called him Big Boy, he really became a big boy. I did not call anyone little anymore after the mother of Strike died. I always call her before little one, so it's not good.
Eh,
Uy, gamay na.
good him.
Hi. Fendi. Adopted babies. This is Rich, our tortoise shell, a very beautiful tortoise shell who also has a suspicious disease. Cat nails lang. Sige na. Wala pa ka nakasuway yung cat nails?
Wala pala.
Wala pa kasuway. Si Hitch. Hitch. Hi, Rich. You have to be very gentle. Those with suspicious disease, you have to be very gentle. Naya, Hitch. Sige na. Hangyo lang, Mama Kiss. Hi. Sige na. Hi, Hitch. Oh, be beautiful. Ayun na, Hitch, Mama Kiss. Ay, hi. Last na. Okay. The other one. Hi.
Rich.
Oh, very beautiful na si Chichoy. Very beautiful. How about the feet? Okay. Mama Kiss. Cut nails sa feet. Hi. Hi, Hitch. Hi, Rich. Because I don't know. Ka beautiful din. Ano? Ay. Hi. Hi na. Hi. That's Rich. Our beautiful turtle. It's plain. Ay, unya na Kuya Ib. Mapaklo naman may Kuya Ib. Ay, plain black. Tok asa kayo plain. Ay, plain. Nag-atok siya.
Hindi mo balay-balay.
Plain. Eh, hapit na. Doon na lang, plain. Sige na. Fit. May naman lang. Hi. Glenn. Hi. Orange! Orange eyes that! One na lang. 1 feet na lang. Sige na. Angyo lang, Mama Kiss. Angyo lang. Damay na lang. Damay na lang. Hi. Tulo ko. Plain, plain. Ay, plain, plain. Okay. Wala na. This is clear. Our semi-Siamese black-brown kitty. One of the 3 latest adopted. Clear. Ay, sige na. Gamay naman. Ay, clear. Sige na. Gamay naman. Clear. Do not kick, Mama Kiss me na. Gamay. Hi. Hi, clear. Mama Kiss will do it fast. Other hand. Other paw. Combine lagi iyang nails. Some of his nails are white and some of his claws are gray. But the paw is
Black.
brown.
Brown.
He's dark brown, Paparulan. It's not black. Pouring already. Clear. That's clear. That's clear.